Eat. Ah, 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 Nino, No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah, no, 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 no. Ninong is, this is my inaanak. Cute and maganda. Ano ba tagtag ito? Ano ba yung yung ano? Ganun. Ay, I don't like to eat. You want to eat? You finish your food while you... No. Ano ba tugtog mo? Tralalala, shalala in the morning. Tralalala, tralala in the sunshine. Tralalala, tralala in the evening. Yung pa. Tralala, tralalala, tralalala in the morning. Tralalala. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ayaw. No, I don't like to eat. I'm finished. Oh, ayun na. You don't want to eat rice? Huh? How about rice? No. Oh, yun na, tinapon na.
Asa na, be?
Bilis kami, you dance. Dance ha. La. No, I don't like to eat. You eat this, I'm not eating that. Luncheon meat. That luncheon meat is already cooked, fried, coming. Na.
Diba masarap na ito? Ang lambot na ito. No. Ay, sabi mo, no, dance. Dirat ka rin dyan eh.
What? Wa. No.
Ay, sabi mo.
No. I don't like to eat. You eat this and yes. Oh. It's for you. Ay, Amir! Ayun na. What's that? Pacifier. Amir! You're not yet finished. Oh, what is that? Your Kuya? You disturb your Kuya while he's eating. Yes. What? Okay, disturb your Kuya. Spaghetti. Tapos bigyan ko ng luncheon nito ng nanay. Ano, diba? Oh. Ano pa di?
Sorbenado pa rin.
Alin? Hindi naman.
Wala na ako.
Nagyan yung nilaman.
Nalaman ko na yung katotohanan.
Nilaman ko ng katotohanan. Lahat ng katotohanan ay alam ko na sa buhay ng isang sinungaling na ewan. Manluloko. Dito!
Bago yan eh. Bago yan.
Please, Jollibee.
Ulag ka?
Yeah. Katawa din siya. Malis. Ano ito?
Put your pacifier, Eunice. Where's your pacifier? Where yung pacifier niya?
No, I just got to eat. You finish your food. Okay, eat. You don't like to eat luncheon meat? Who's that? Who's this?
Pacifier mo, pulutin mo. Kasi sinusubuan niya.
Sinusubuan niya
Baby niya.
Oh, come here. Let me hold the baby. You yes, that's like just like that. Love the baby. Love.
Ikis mo nga.
Kiss your baby. Kiss your baby.
Uy, kita mo, Jason, siligan niya yung kimo.
Baby. Ang sino ka nyo daw? Ay, no.
Tigkay pa, tigkay ka.
Ano? Oh, you eat. Are you ano? Oh.
Walang maragtika na yung hukin
She's
ng baby.
already ano? Ah. Yun. Kiss na naman. Kiss na naman. Kiss na naman. Oh, kiss na naman. Kiss na naman si Nino. Ay, I don't like to eat that. Yes, I'm already finished eating. Yes, Mama, give it to Mama. Okay, you say thank you. Ay, what happened? No? What happened to you? What? Oh. Kasi mo ulit, kasi ay, hindi mo, kasi mo sila yun.
Wala na kumantika na yung hukin ng
Mantika na kasi
baby.
mo sa video. Nagigigil. Oh, no more. Finish. Ninong, Ronald Bicol Vlog. And my inaanak, very cute and beautiful. Yes. Eunice is the name of my inaanak. She's playing the... What's that? Oh, you eat this one.
Bilang ka doon na kausap mo yung matanda.
Mamaya, kukunin ko tayo lang.
Anong kausap yung matanda?
Bigyan mo lang ha. Okay guys, please watch this video. My inaanak and Ronald Bicol Vlog. Thank you and God bless you all guys.